Hello everyone, let us continue learning grade 7 science chapter 3 heat. Firstly, let us learn about clinical thermometer. So, the characteristics and features of clinical thermometers. A clinical thermometer consists of long, narrow and uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end, as you can see here, and the bulb contains mercury, and outside the bulb there is a small shining mercury thread. One of the most important thing about clinical thermometer is the temperature it measures. So it measures the temperature between 35 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius. Above and below the given temperature it cannot measure. So here is how to read a thermometer, how to measure the temperature. So it is not much important, even though I have given here, you can just pause the video and check it out. Here is a fact. The normal temperature of a healthy and fit and fine human is 37 degrees Celsius, and it's true. Range of a laboratory thermometer. Range is nothing but how much temperature it measures. So a laboratory thermometer measures the temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. So as we know that the laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of objects in the laboratory, so that the objects may be in minus degrees Celsius and even above 100 degrees Celsius in the laboratory. So it measures from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Let's move to the testing spot. First question, what all things does a clinical thermometer consists of? Second, what is the range of a clinical thermometer? Third question, what is the range of a laboratory thermometer? Fourth question, what is the normal temperature of a healthy human or normal human body? Next question, how is a clinical thermometer designed? So let me know the answers in the comments. Now let's come back to an important topic, conductors of heat. So what are the conductors of heat? The materials that allow the heat to pass through them easily are known as conductors of heat. Like example, you can take iron. So iron or copper or anything. So if heat is passed to one end of the material like iron or any metal, then that heat will be transferred to the other end of the material. So the heat will be passed through the material. So the conductors allow the heat to pass through them. Examples are iron and copper. Insulators of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are known as insulators of heat. Example, plastic, wood or rubber. Let's test your knowledge. Question number 6, define conductors of heat. Question number 7, define insulators of heat. Question number 8, give any 3 examples for conductors of heat other than the examples mentioned in the video. Question number 9, give any 3 examples of insulators of heat other than the examples mentioned. Comment your answers in the comment section. In the next video, we will be discussing the leftover topics and also the exercises, questions and answers I will be giving. So don't forget to subscribe.